Yep, what is going on, guys? It is Will, back with another video. Today is just going to be an NQ recap video, because I am a little bit busy. So, we're just going to talk about the trades I took today. You'll see here, in a couple minutes, I'll post the account balances. Very good day today for me, if not one of my best days of trading. So we are getting somewhere. But yeah, I mean, I just had really good, clean executions today. I can't complain at all. So let's just recap these trades here. So market opens, it pumps up here. ES is not taking any highs. It just took the New York session here high, but I was looking for this London high here to get taken. That was kind of my target, so I was looking for a really big push up today. We did not get that, obviously, but NQ, on the other hand, immediately smoked through London highs here. So I was immediately looking for some sort of pullback. And it was also very choppy up here, so it just didn't look like it had the gas. So immediately my brain was locked onto sells. I was waiting for a good entry. Looking back at this trade, it could have been better. I could have entered off this fair value gap over here to get more of a risk-reward ratio here. That would have been the smarter way to do it. There is a market shift structure too right here. So that was also here. So it did shift to the downside here. Clearly respection of the fair value gap here too. So I should have entered somewhere here. But it's alright because I was playing patient. NQ was falling, but ES wasn't really falling. It was kind of consolidating, so that's why I didn't want to rush into anything. And then immediately I started seeing a sell-off on ES. I waited for an entry onto NQ, which I got right here through this fair value gap. As you can see, it respected it on the 1 minute time frame. Respected it. Immediately got a push down. I was in 5 MNQ contracts. I did TP out at like, I think 25, 25.50, and then I had one contract running. I was looking to sweep this low down here for 84. Couldn't get that, so it's no biggie at all. And then this is when ES bottomed out and hit these New York pre-market lows. We immediately saw a reversal. So I switched mindset, obviously, to buys. And I just didn't want to chase this pump here. I was really looking for this inverse fair value gap to get pushed down into. It just didn't get tapped into at all. And then this right here is just consolidation. I mean, there's nothing you can really do here. You have to run a big stop loss here when you're playing these for like a potential move to the upside or the downside. It is better to wait this out. But I immediately saw ES starting to push up to come and take these highs out of the day. And that's when I entered. So I entered when it respected this fair value gap here, which is right around here somewhere. I ran about like a 15-point stop loss on this, I want to say. And then I just fully TP'd out at plus 30. Just a 1 to 2 RR. I wasn't looking for anything big because Powell does speak later. So I just didn't want to, hold anything, and, luckily I didn't hold anything. I could have held for a little bit and got, a plus 70. But, it is what it is. You got to get your money off the table sometimes. So I did get out at plus 30, so 1 to 2 RR. Can't complain about that. And then a solid trade here. 1 to 3.5 maybe. Very good day today. I mean, other than that, guys, I guess I could just do an outlook. So let's look at the daily on NQ here. So we are getting some sort of pullback in NQ, which I was expecting. I mean, guys, come on. We can't go like 10 days in a row just nonstop pumping, We're going to have a pullback. I definitely would like to see this area, this 9.6 area, contested again. And then get some gas and go back up to all-time highs. But I do think we need more of a pullback than this. I just don't think this is enough for the pullback. On the other hand, ES over here, which is the S&P 500, is just absolutely mooning. Like, there's no resistance on this at all. You know, don't be shorting this. I think it's very stupid if you're shorting ES. I mean, unless you're in for a couple minutes, you know, but there's no, you know, there's no resistance. There's no areas to take profit up here. You know, we haven't, so we're in discovery zone. This type of area, you know, it's hard to short, and it's also hard to long, because you don't want to be that guy that longs the top and then the market sells off on you. So it's a very tricky area with ES here. That's why I have been trading NQ mostly, because, you know, we still have some, you know, we still have this 21.2 area to still contest. So it's definitely a little bit cleaner for my personal choice to trade, because, you know, there's still a ceiling. There's areas to get out of at least. You know, over here you're just trading like a sky area. Like, you don't know where to TP out of, and, you know, you don't want to be caught buying the top and then the market sells off and your account gets blown because of that. So I would try to stay away from ES here. NQ, on the other hand, I would definitely switch over to this for now. But ES, I mean, did have some, if we look at ES, it did have some clean moves today. We did respect this one area where I was gonna enter a short off of on the 1 minute time frame here. This inverse fair value gap got touched a couple times here and was just absolutely respected every single time. Great entry point for a sell. Like I said, quick sells, quick sells, quick sells. You're in at, you know, you're in at 9:50 and you're out at 10:30. Quick sells, in and out, or you're even out over here. So that's why it's good to you know, get in and out of ES, because we're not sure. You know, ES can just keep pushing up. It's just like gold right now. There's no ceiling on gold. Gold is just, you're trying to short something that's just, there's no area to short, you know. But other than that, that's all I got for today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Monday. What a solid way to end the month too. And I will see you guys Tuesday. Later.